Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Fashion Makeup app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. To update this app, you can either do it on Android or even iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android and therefore we can do this through Google Play Store. If you're on iPhone, you'll need to look for App Store and then find for update. So I'll go to Google Play Store app here. So go to the same, log in with your Gmail account. And once you are logged in, now you can search for your app by name here. If you can't see the search bar, you should see a search icon down below. So just type in Fashion Makeup and then run the search. As you can see, we have so many similar apps here. We are interested in this. You can see it is already installed. If I tap on it now, you can see we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of Fashion Makeup Dress app, Show app. To update, just tap on update, and this will download the latest version of Fashion Makeup app and finally install it on your smartphone. Once the app is installed, you can now proceed and play or tap on play here, or just go to apps and you should find it. Now you can see our app is here. Tap on it to open and start using it. So that's how you can update Fashion Makeup app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.